Hey, what's going on YouTube? You got the old Mongo man back at you out here in Mongo's garage tonight. Cheryl was out helping us tonight, getting back at Phoenix here. What you saw us do here tonight was get the seat disassembled. That's the rear seat, and the main reason I wanted to keep this boat is because it has that rear seat, that full sofa seat in the rear. So this is what we ended up with. What's left here is the foam. You can see there we've got each of the pieces marked how it came apart. I will end up reusing all of that foam. The main portion of the seat itself is still together. I will have to, I gotta get a measured drawing of everything here so that I can rebuild this seat. The construction actually looks pretty simple. There's a 2x4 frame inside of here, and if the seat were turned over, that's actually what this bottom seat cushion sits on. The thigh cushions are those pieces there. This is the left side, that's the right side. That piece right there is actually the under your knee, the cushion for under your knee. That red and gray cushion right there are the back cushions. There's really only, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of material for this. And those will all get remade, but that's what we got. You can see there where he had 4 speakers shoved in it. I'll probably end up putting 2 back in it, but that's neither here nor there. So yeah, that's what we got done tonight. Here in Mongo's garage, where we're rebuilding the 1989 Four Winds Horizon 200 that you've seen us playing with and toying with. So I am going to get out of the garage here. It's about, I would say it's still 80 degrees out here. I've got a bunch of stuff in my nose, and the bugs are attacking me and eating me alive. Talk to you guys soon. Mongo Man is out.